This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Julia Shea. Located on a beautiful waterfront lot in Roland Park, this charming Cape Cod offers amazing water views and lots of living space. As soon as you enter, the lovely hardwood floors will catch your eye. The surprisingly open floor plan leads you from the formal living room to a cozy dining room and finally to a large den with a wood-burning fireplace. French doors open to a large back porch, perfect for relaxing. 2 spacious bedrooms and a full bath complete the first floor. Upstairs you'll find 2 additional bedrooms, attic space and a second full bath. The large fenced-in yard is great for entertaining and spending time outdoors. Enjoy launching a kayak or boat from your very own yard. The little shed is powered and ideal for gardening or other hobbies. The detached garage could also make a great workshop. Don't miss the opportunity to make this your waterfront dream home. Home is being sold as is. October 28, 2024. For more information, review the details below or contact Julia Shea at 757-971-6221.